Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to take a look at an idiom. What's an idiom? An idiom is a figure of speech. A figure of speech? Yeah, figurative language. It means don't take it literally. What? Let me show you. Come on. By the way, I'm SL Rockfish and you are at English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to take a look at from soup to nuts. From soup to nuts, what does that mean? I love soup and I love nuts. But from soup to nuts has nothing to do with my love of either type of food. No, my friend. From soup to nuts means the whole thing, from beginning to end, from start to finish, the whole shebang. Shebang, that's for a later video. Yeah, where does it come from? Why do we say from soup to nuts? I do know. It comes from the saying from eggs to apples, meaning the beginning of the dinner to the end of the dinner. We start with eggs, we end with apples. But in mid-20th century United States, we changed it from eggs to apples or from pottage to cheese to from soup to nuts. You start your meal with soup, you end it with nuts. Yeah, apparently nuts used to be a dessert. What? Yeah, I know. Crazy, right? Where did I learn it? I checked out the Scholastic book on idioms. Oh, okay. From soup to nuts. Why do we still say that when we just really mean the whole thing from beginning to end? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this sentence, I hope. We started a remodeling project and did it all by ourselves. From soup to nuts. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with from soup to nuts? Or tell me something you did from soup to nuts. Peace, friends.